In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build customer journey reports in HubSpot. Understanding the customer's journey is pivotal in tailoring your marketing and sales strategies effectively. Today, we'll walk through creating insightful reports that will illuminate every touchpoint your customers experience with your brand. This way, you can make more informed decisions. To get started, head over to the trial guide on HubSpot. Once you're there, you'll quickly see where your report section is located. Clicking on this will be your next step. You'll find that this section of HubSpot is a powerful tool for understanding various metrics and data points from your customer interactions. Next, look for the Create Report option and click on it. This action will open up a world of possibilities for you to explore the diverse kinds of reports you can generate. These reports can range from simple metrics to more complex data aggregations that can significantly help in strategic planning. Once you're set to create, choose to create a basic report using a single object like deals. This type of report will focus on one specific area, making it easier to track and analyze. HubSpot simplifies this process with a variety of templates and customizable options to tailor the report to your specific needs. It's important to choose an object that is relevant to the goal you wish to achieve, ensuring that the report provides value and insights that can drive action. After selecting your report type, you'll need to click on Highlight. This option allows you to focus on the most critical aspects of the data you're gathering. This step is about selecting key data points that reflect crucial touchpoints in the customer journey, giving you a clearer picture of where your strategies are performing well and where improvements might be needed. Finally, you'll click on Next. This will lead you through the final steps of report creation, guiding you through any additional settings or customizations you may need to finalize before your report is generated. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now have a powerful customer journey report at your fingertips. Using these reports regularly can open up new insights and opportunities for increasing customer satisfaction and boosting overall engagement. Remember, the key to utilizing these reports effectively lies in the continuous assessment and adaptation of your strategies to align with the insights you gather. Thank you for joining today. And make sure to apply these methods to drive strategic success in your business operations with HubSpot.